Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, you will see TalkBack is here. Click on TalkBack. If you want to enable TalkBack, so turn on this button. After turn on this button and click on OK, you will see TalkBack is enabled.
Double tap to activate.
So if you want to click on settings, so double tap on
TalkBack setting.
you will see.
Hotbar. Back.
Double tap
Setting. Back.
and click. You will
Home
see.
screen page.
So that's how you can enable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.